Hi, this is Jay for Pete's Tire Barns, and I'm here to tell you about Cooper's 3 new additions to their popular Discoverer AT3 line of all-terrain tires for light trucks and SUVs. These are the Discoverer AT3 4S, LT, and XLT. For this video, we're going to take a look more closely at the AT3 LT and XLT. The Cooper Discoverer AT3 LT and Discoverer AT3 XLT are made with Cooper's trademark durable tread technology. It helps to handle heavy loads with minimal wear while withstanding the assault of a gravel and dirt terrain. Even wear arc technology on the Discoverer AT3 LT and XLT tactically place pressure at the contact area to promote even tread wear and better handling. The Cooper Discoverer AT3 LT and XLTs feature whisper groove technology to create a sound barrier to reduce road noise and include stone ejector ledges to protect the tire from stones drilling into the body of the tire, offering a clean tread for better traction. For the Cooper Discoverer AT3 LT and XLT, contact our online store at peachtirestore.com or by calling 800-239-1833.